In the digital age, social media has transformed from a simple platform for sharing updates to a powerful tool for building wealth. Picture this: millions of users scroll through their feeds every day, each one a potential audience, a potential client, or a future partner. But how do you tap into this vast ocean of opportunity? It all begins with understanding the landscape. There are countless ways to make money on social media, but they typically fall into a few key categories. Let's explore them together. First, consider influencer marketing. This is where individuals, often known as influencers, build a sizable following based on niche content, personality, or expertise. Brands are constantly on the lookout for influencers who can promote their products authentically. Imagine the thrill of receiving your first brand deal. Companies may offer payment or free products in exchange for your promotion. The key here is to maintain authenticity. Followers can quickly sense when someone is being insincere. Next, think about creating engaging content on platforms like YouTube or TikTok. These platforms have monetization options available once you meet certain criteria, such as followers or watch time. By producing unique, captivating videos, you can attract viewers and earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and even affiliate marketing. Just imagine the satisfaction of seeing your subscriber count grow, each new follower a testament to your hard work and creativity. But not all content needs to be flashy. Sometimes, sharing knowledge can be incredibly lucrative. Consider creating courses or ebooks to sell. If you have a skill or expertise, social media can be your gateway to teaching others. Platforms like Instagram and LinkedIn allow you to share valuable insights, positioning yourself as an authority in your niche. With every piece of content you share, you build trust and credibility, encouraging your audience to invest in your products. Now, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This tactic allows you to earn a commission by promoting someone else's products. By sharing unique affiliate links, when your followers make a purchase through that link, you earn a percentage. This can be through blog posts, social media stories, or even YouTube videos. The beauty of this method is that you don't need to create your own product, you simply act as a bridge between the customer and the brand. Think about how seamlessly you can weave these recommendations into your content, making it feel like a natural extension of your ongoing conversation with your audience. Additionally, remember that social media is about community. Building a loyal following takes time, effort, and consistency. Engage with your audience, respond to their comments, ask for their opinions, and provide value. This interaction not only strengthens your relationship with them but also increases your visibility on various platforms. The algorithms prioritize accounts that foster community and engagement. As you build this community, consider creating a membership or subscription service. Platforms like Patreon allow content creators to offer exclusive content to their subscribers for a monthly fee. These could be behind-the-scenes videos, exclusive tutorials, or personalized advice. It's a fantastic way to transform a one-way communication into a two-way relationship, enhancing the value you provide. And let's not forget about the power of social media advertising. If you have a product or service, targeted ads can help you reach your ideal audience efficiently. By investing a portion of your earnings into advertising, you can expand your reach significantly. Properly executed ads can convert followers into customers, amplifying your revenue potential. As we delve deeper into the intricacies of making money on social media, don't underestimate the importance of analytics. Understanding the data behind your content performance allows you to adjust your strategies in real time. Tracking likes, shares, comments, and click-through rates can provide insight into what resonates with your audience. Use these analytics to refine your content and focus on what works. It's not just about going viral, it's about creating consistent, valuable content that keeps your audience coming back for more. Moreover, consider collaborations with other creators. By partnering with someone who shares your interests or target audience, you can leverage each other's following for mutual growth. Cross-promotion can significantly boost your visibility, opening doors to new opportunities. Simply imagine the vast potential of combining forces with someone who complements your brand. As we round off our exploration into the landscape of making money on social media, remember that the journey requires patience and dedication. Success may not come overnight, but with consistent efforts, you can carve out your niche. Experiment with different strategies, learn from failures, and adapt over time. Each step you take is one step closer to achieving your financial goals. Embrace the creative freedom that social media offers, and let your imagination run wild. Create, share, and engage with your audience at every turn. Along the way, document your journey. Sharing your process can inspire others and create a sense of community. Whether it's the highs or lows, being transparent can foster connection and build trust. And finally, always prioritize your mental and emotional well-being. The world of social media can be overwhelming, and it's easy to get lost in the numbers. Take breaks when needed, and remember that authenticity is what attracts genuine followers. So, take a deep breath and dive in. The world of social media awaits, full of opportunities and possibilities. Whether you're an aspiring influencer, a seasoned creator, or just curious about the landscape, there's a place for you. Let your voice be heard and your story be told. Together, we can navigate this vibrant space and discover the multitude of ways to thrive financially while doing what we love. The journey has just begun.